What's up guys? Checking in with the completed and freshly powder coated rear bumper with dual swing arms for this Quigley Econoline camper van. You've already seen how this thing works and how this thing opens up. If you haven't, check out my other videos because I went over just how far these arms swing out in order to be able to open both of these doors completely. We've got a nice flat finish, recently installed these flush mounted lights. Also the gas can tray built to fit 2 gas cans that can be strapped in place. Once you remove this, you can also fit a storage box on this arm that can also be strapped in place. 2 D-rings welded to this bumper with some nice heavy duty red shackles. Some locks for extra protection, and again, a flush mounted light on this side of the bumper too. I've still got a little bit more work to do on this thing, like relocating the license plate and the backup camera, but that is a basic rundown of this completed bumper. I'm currently working on an entire YouTube video dedicated to this build, so if you guys want to see how this thing was put together, how it was installed, stay tuned for that. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more because we just got a Jeep Liberty in the shop and we are going to be building a front bumper and rear bumper setup for that Jeep Liberty.